Morning everybody. Well, today is a little different. It's Scott's turn to go to work today, so we're still here in Stover, and so I decided, beautiful day by the way, I've decided to do a little bit of cleaning, and we have, let me show you, because since Teddy's been here we had to move out the rug, and we got the rug out today, yay. I know, it's little things, isn't it, but it just makes it feel more homely again. And he's been about 7 days without any accidents, so I thought, trust him, I'm going to trust him, put the rug out, and hopefully all will be well. So a bit of cleaning. But the other thing is today, I want to ask all you people, you know, when you're living full time in your vans, motorhomes, RVs like us, and it comes a time, doesn't it, where you have to reassess what stuff you have. Scotty and I was talking about it, and we're a little bit worried about, because all the little things you add and you don't think about it, and then suddenly you think, oh my, the weight of your van. So today I'm going to start with a little bit of seeing what's in the cupboards and under the bed per se, just to see what we're going to have to kind of not throw away. We can go and store it at Scott's shop, but it's time to reassess what we have. Let me know how you get on. You know, how often do you have to look through your cupboard, see what you bought, see what you have to get rid of? How often do you do it, guys? Let us know. Anyway, let's go to the bedroom and see. Make a start there. So everyone, this is our underbed storage, and there's loads in here that I feel that we can just get rid of, really. Like our winter stuff, possibly store that. I mean, it is lucky that we've got Scott's shop, but ordinarily, you know, what would we do with it, to be fair, but it needs sorting. It's like, where do you start? Keep pile. And Scott doesn't know, but he will by the time he comes to edit this video. I've just ordered some like shoe kind of holders actually from Amazon. I'm going to see how they work, and I'll let you know as well. I was saying just before the camera went all a bit doolally, I bought these shoe things from Amazon just to keep the shoes in. We need a little, because Mr. Teddy likes to chew our shoes or take them from wherever he wants to take them from. I ordered these like clip-on ones that goes on the wall, but I'll show you when they come and let you know if they're any good. These guys, we bought these ones because of caravans, caravan places that don't like you to put up your clothes dryer. So with these hang out the windows, but we've never bloody used them. And it's like, what we're doing? May find room in a locker for them, possibly. Don't know if you can see, but we have a shoe rack here. Obviously, not doing its thing. A lot better, a lot more roomier, a lot of stuff is going, but I'm sure Scott will be very happy with the space that now is our underneath bed. I'm knackered, man.
Hi guys. Excuse me, a bit croaky. So bloody gorgeous day here today. I think it's supposed to be about 27 degrees, I think. So yeah, pretty warm, but got a bit of issue keeps happening with the fly screen door. Don't know if anybody else gets this problem with the fifth wheels. So basically it kind of catches when you open it. So you open it up and it catches like that. And generally I have to tighten up these screws. So you got top, middle and bottom. There's some more up there somewhere, yeah. So basically, yeah, I have to give them a tighten up. I know there's one missing there, that's because it's on the step below. So yeah, I don't know. Does anybody else have this issue, or is it just ours? I don't know. But basically, so when you go to open the door, the full door, it leaves the screen behind, and it's not meant to. It's meant to stick together and they open together. But a lot of the times when it gets a bit loose, rattles loose, probably from just travelling, you know, screws come a little bit loose. So what I'm going to try and do is put some Loctite. So I'll give it some Loctite, give that a go, and see if that does the trick. Because it normally lasts for a few weeks and then it starts to loosen up again, and then it catches and there's a pain. So yeah, we'll give that a go. I'll let you know how we go. So Loctite applied to top, middle and bottom sets of screws. Let's see if that does the trick. So we shall see. Wish us luck. Yeah, if there's any other top tips you might have, I suppose maybe I could have used something like anti-vibration washers perhaps. That was another option, I guess. I thought I'd go with this route first, see what happens.
Ahoy everybody!
Ahoy!
Sun's in my eyes.
Sun's in your eyes.
So we finally got a day off today, haven't we?
Yeah.
Very fair. This week it's
well,
really bad.
Almost wasn't, was it?
Almost wasn't. I was called in this morning, but
yeah, nah.
I had such a busy day yesterday.
Yeah, knackered, aren't you?
Scotty talked me out of it, so.
I did.
Yeah, so we have decided to make use of this beautiful weather, haven't we?
Yeah, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
Where's Ted?
It's really lovely today.
So we're going to visit Becky Falls. That is nearby, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just down the road, isn't it? Bobby Tracy thereabouts, isn't it? Yeah, Becky Falls. So
yeah, we'll bring you along.
We shall indeed.
We'll tell you if it's worth a visit.
Absolutely.
See you in a minute.
See you in a bit.
We have just arrived at the Becky Falls, and there's 3 trails apparently, so the falls are on the red one. But look, have you got your map? We've got our maps. Off we go.
Go on, Teddy.
Here's our map. And Becky Falls are on the red one apparently.
When we get over the road, you can go off your lead. Not off your lead, but you can extend it.
Apparently the most important bit, there's a cafe over here, Scott.
That's the most important bit.
This is where we came in. So the prices are not too bad. But there we go, there's the prices, everyone. You can probably see. But we paid
if you book in advance, it's a bit cheaper.
A little bit cheaper. Well, he seemed to say that, didn't he? Because he asked us if we pre-booked. So yeah.
Unless it was just a case of, you know, you get a booking confirmation, you pay online.
Yeah, I didn't see any concessions or anything. So,
well, Teddy.
But I don't know. Maybe check it out.
Come on then.
And now, because we've come out, the sun was absolutely boiling, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And now it's gone in, and I'm freezing.
Yeah,
I'm getting a bit cold.
Should have worn your winter wellies.
I should, yeah. And this is Dartmoor, East Dartmoor, Becky Falls. I was saying to Scott, is Dartmoor the Hound of the Baskerville territory? We think it is, don't we?
I think so. We nearly didn't come, did we? Because
we nearly didn't.
We discovered that you have to pay nowadays. You said last time you came, you could just walk around here for free.
Well, maybe I didn't actually come here. I don't recognise any of this.
Ah.
But yeah, I was tempted not to come because you have to pay.
Yeah, you're a bit put out, aren't you?
Yeah.
A little bug hotel there.
I'm a bit tight in that respect. Becky's Bug Art B&B. Let me go down.
Bug B&B.
There we go. Cute. Been there a while, that.
Yeah, looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Come on then, Ted. it, boy.
And obviously, guys, it's dog friendly. It looks like they have animals and wildlife garden, barn owl talk, pony talk. That's kind of cute. Oh look, we've got a meerkat under the lamp. Oh look. And one's heating himself up. I told you it was cold.
Yeah, but they are used to living in places like Africa.
I suppose. Very nice. Right. Onwards and upwards.
We're here.
Okay.
We just got to go up.
Yeah. And it's like a loop, isn't it?
Oh, you have a shortcut as well.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Come on then.
Red Trail, 45 to 50 minutes, apparently.
Yeah. Come on then, Teddy.
That's easy for us, Scott, when we've been round. What was it that in Pembrokeshire, wasn't it? Yeah, the lily ponds. Fun fact, holly has been used for Christmas decoration for centuries. And it was also used by the Romans for their winter celebrations, which was known as Saturnalia. There you go. That's very pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. And did you also know that the holly leaves are normally, they're not spiky, holly leaves?
I don't know.
They only become spiky when they're being eaten by
Oh, really?
animals like deer.
Did
So
not
when the
know
deer
that.
start munching on all the leaves on the bushes, they then become spiky.
Oh, interesting.
So yeah, they change.
Wow. Scott, full of information there.
Yeah. Come on then, Ted.
So whilst we were coming here, I wanted to know why Becky Falls is called Becky Falls.
Oh, okay.
And it's named after Becca Brook, which runs through it.
Yeah, the Becca Brook.
Yeah, and it's been open since 1903. Oh, look, and poets, Sir Arthur Conan Doyle have been here, Virginia Woolf, Rupert Brooke, that's all right, Teddy wrapping himself around,
Yeah.
and John Galsworthy. But who named the brook Becca Brook? See, we're still kind of not been answered the question, have we? It's another question.
Yeah, one question leads to another question.
Yeah, followed
Always.
another. Why? Why is it Becca Brook?
Archway made of a tree.
Yeah, I like it.
Fell tree.
Not suitable if you've got push chairs, guys.
There's a lot of steps, isn't there? And
A lot, as you can see.
rocky and
Yeah. We have some more information here. The geology of Becky Falls, and it began 200, yeah, I can't even see it, it's that long ago. 280 million years ago, when the tectonic plates caused sedimentary rock to heat. So the ice sheets and glaciers came from as far as south as Bristol. Teddy's having a whale of a time because he's getting all sniffs and smells that are very different, aren't they, Ted? Is he a water dog? Maybe not.
Come on, Teddy.
Careful, love.
Come on then. Oh, where are you going? Good on the awkward way. Oh, you're right, you be careful, love.
I say it's just got to be careful.
Yeah.
I'm literally just falling over.
You okay?
Yeah. Thanks. Oh.
Come on then, Teddy.
Mind you don't trip you up, love.
I know. Oh, this way, Ted. This way. This will be the fun one.
Oh, careful.
I'm sure I might
wow.
have to pick him up.
Might be best to.
Yeah.
You be careful going down there though, love.
Yeah,
Please.
I will. I'll go down backwards. Easier than turning back round.
Got another one yet?
There we go. You okay?
Yeah. We've got dogs and cameras galore, haven't we?
Yeah. More than we normally carry. We normally have like a camera and that's it.
That's it, yeah.
Cameras, drones, dog.
So here we are, everybody. We have come across the money tree. And apparently, just according to this little note here, it says nobody knows the exact origin of the money tree, but local legend has it that many years ago this path was the main route from the moor to Bovey Tracy. And it's said to have, that a huge serpent lived in the brook and ate the occasional unsuspecting traveller. And in order to ensure the safe passage, the pixies would apply an invisibility charm to any traveller so long as they paid a small toll by placing a coin in the tree. And this ensured the safe passage. However, should you take a coin, apparently the pixies will, you incur the wrath of the pixies, it said. So you can see that on the camera.
It's like a little seat.
Yeah. Just notice as we're walking around that Scott is playing Where's Wally, but where's Scott? Because I don't know if you've noticed, right? Let me get you around.
Go on, then.
Oh, come on, swivel around. There we
Come
go.
over.
Scott is wearing camo shorts and a camo t-shirt. And I'm not sure if he's trying to hide within the woods. Maybe we should play Where's Scott? What up a side quiz? See if we can spot him. Maybe Teddy gives him away, actually, a bright orange thing attached to the lead. Can't miss Teddy, can you? You get deer here.
Yeah, we're on the moors, aren't we?
Oh, of course. So we are making our way back to the car now, aren't we?
Yep.
I'm totally exhausted, and we've just been to the cafe, so we've got a few babies, haven't we?
Yep. We have.
It was a lovely cafe, but the food, we caught the back end of the food, I think, didn't we?
Yeah. A little bit dry, wasn't it?
A bit dry. But I think if you maybe caught it at lunchtime, then it might be better. But the prices were excellent. Very good prices. They had ice
Very
creams
reasonable.
and things like that. It's a place to sit inside or outside. So yeah, all in all, it was very nice here.
Yeah.
We're making our way back to the car slowly because we're full. And we are going to leave this video here for this week, guys. And if you have enjoyed it, please do press the subscribe button and a thumbs up for the like, and press that notification bell so you know when we're going to upload another video. So we hope you enjoy your week, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye everyone.
Bye.